values, and stories of Filipino culture. Today, we'll talk about a unique part of being Filipino, something that goes beyond friendship and becomes family. The compadre-comadre relationship. Have you ever heard someone say, siya ang kumpare ko or kumare ko yan? Let's find out what it really means and why this bond is so special in our culture. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll never miss more amazing stories about Filipino life and traditions. The words compadre and comadre come from the Spanish language. Compadre means co-father and comadre means co-mother. In Filipino culture, these terms are used to describe the spiritual bond between the parents of a child and the child's godparents, or between the godparents themselves. When you become a ninong or ninang, godfather or godmother, you're not just a ceremonial guest. You become part of the family. That's why the child's parents and godparents call each other compadre and comadre. This bond shows trust, respect, and friendship. It's a relationship built not only on social ties, but also on spiritual and emotional connection. For example, during baptisms, weddings, or confirmations, the compadre and comadre stand together as witnesses and second parents. In many Filipino families, they help guide and support the child's growth, offer advice, and sometimes even assist during tough times. They are also present in celebrations, birthdays, fiestas, graduations, and sometimes even in important family decisions. That's why in the Philippines, having a kumpare or kumare is a big deal. It's a lifelong friendship turned into family. But did you know? This relationship also extends beyond religion. It's a cultural expression of camaraderie and unity. Even among close friends, Filipinos use compadre and comadre as terms of affection and respect. It reflects our value of pakikipagkapwa-tao, treating others not as strangers but as part of our circle of care and connection. In a world that often feels fast and disconnected, this Filipino tradition reminds us that relationships, when nurtured with trust and kindness, can truly become like family. And that's the story behind the Filipino compadre-comadre tradition, a bond that turns friendship into family and love into lasting connection. It's more than just a title. It's a reminder that in Filipino culture, relationships are sacred, and every kumpare and kumare carries a special place in our hearts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and kumares and kumpares. Reminding you that family isn't only about blood, it's also about the bonds we build with love, faith, and friendship. Maraming salamat for watching and see you again in our next video.